We're getting close to the brakes area. A couple more passes around. Yeah, I remember. We almost walked down this. We made it.
And you had some doubt?
No, I didn't.
I know that David didn't.
No, he didn't.
No way.
We were fine.
Good job.
Yep. Great up here.
Thing just kept popping out.
Yeah, we popped out of gear a few
Yeah,
times.
and then it'd be like, whoa, no power or anything. It's good though, thanks man. Air traffic controller talked me down.
Yeah.
That's good. You just have to have faith in the machine. It's just operator error.
Sí.
Wow. That's
It's beautiful. The water view over there too, around that other corner is cool.
Okay. Almost, guys. Slow down. Okay, lose. Lose. One of those.